Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisi wakho. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Ngifuna ukukhuluma nge-record top goal scorer la ku-PSL era, Peter Shalulile bafethu. I think uPeter Shalulile is no longer the same bafethu. Akusase uPeter Shalulile lo esimaziyo. uPeter Shalulile bafethu bokuyikiller laphana phambili, and i-aggression yakhe, i-presence yakhe beyi-strong. Angazi ukuthi inkinga ye-confidence. Ngimbonile ukorile eNigeria, but I'm not convinced ngalo Peter Shalulile engimbonayo. Maybe confidence yokuthi akadlala amagame amaningi, sekahlala ebhentshini kakhulu, ungena lapho nalapho. But I wanna take you guys back. Peter Shalulile bengimbukela eMakhulungu Stadium edlalela laphana Highlands Park. I mean, there's no flair, there's nothing fancy about him, but-ke i-work rate yakhe bafethu, i-hard work yakhe laphana ku-Highlands Park. Earlier on we saw ukuthi okay, he's one of the most hardworking players laphana inside the field of play, and what he gives to the team, hard work. And then ngikhumbula kahle badlala neMamelodi Sundowns. I think Mkhulise was one of the first few games akhe laphana back then. If angenzi iphutha, but it was under uPitso Mosimane eMakhulungu Stadium. I mean, I was like, Baba shot 3-1, but I noticed Peter Shalulile ukuthi what a player. And then years later, he was brought to Mamelodi Sundowns. La wafika washayina khona kakhulu, futhi wakwazi ukushaya amagoli amaningi, waze waba i-record top goal scorer. I-icon eMamelodi Sundowns. I think ku-modern era is the best striker ku-modern era ye-South African football or ku-PSL overall. But lo Peter Shalulile wamanje angimrecognize, noma I can't pay him nalo Peter Shalulile wakudala bafowethu, or lo engimbona in recent games uleka izinto different. Peter Shalulile was a good protector of the ball. Ngimbone nalapha eNigeria giving a ball away easy. I'm not saying he's having a terrible, horrible time, but it's not the same Peter Shalulile, to be fair. Lo esimaziyo Peter Shalulile presence yakhe bozoyifila laphana phambili bafowethu, kuyaliwa akudlalwa makabamba ibhola. Cause and masikhumbula kahle Peter Shalulile uyakwazi uku-adapta to different positions. There were time la bamdlalisa bamphera no-Reiners, but kumele adrifte to esidini, beyangacomplain. La usifuna ukumbeka khona uPeter Shalulile uzokwazi ukudlala and uzokwazi ukuba i-fighter, but yeah, he's not the Peter Shalulile that we know bafowethu. Angifuni ukuqamba manga, he's not the one. This is not the one. But uReiners uShalulile njengoba ayidipha i-performance yakhe, uReiners has become the main striker kuMamelodi Sundowns, udlala kahle kakhulu. Now i-presence kaReiners i-powerful laphana for iMamelodi Sundowns. I mean, powerful presence. Yabona uma ubhekane noReiners futhi usenkingeni bafethu, i-war kusempini, yisi striker. I mean, for me uReiners is the best striker by far in South Africa. Othi ukhona i-striker better than uReiners akasibeke phambili sibone, because ngiyazi ukuthi abantu bazothi uGrobler, but uGrobler you can't really uGrobler number one, if usibheka i-game model kaGrobler, i-striker esi-good because uyakwazi ukuzithola kuma-positions, but-ke akuleka leyo aggression, akanayo enkani, can fight, uyakwazi ukuzipositiona kahle ukuthi aqedelela amabhola awashaye, but unaleyo nto leyo nje yokuba weak-ish. Uyakwazi, I'm not taking away from i-record la ukuthi uyawashaya amagoli, but-ke if I were to choose between the two, I would go for uReiners. uReiners what a star. Uyi-hard worker, into engiyithandayo ngaye, uyi-hard worker. Defender 1-on-1 or makulwela ibhola emoyeni or kuliwa nje, uyakwazi ukulwa and is up for a challenge. Same ukuthi whatever Peter Shalulile, if he's going through something will come back from it, but-ke uloku uyakhula neminyaka obviously iyahamba kuPeter Shalulile, maybe mentally maybe u-affected ukuthi akadlali amagame amaningi. But uShasha siyamazi ukuthi what he means to i-football overall bafethu. He's a good player overall, but he's not the same. Is not the same. Mawuthi uyambheka noma ungambheka ngama-angle map, is not the same. But not to say kuMamelodi Sundowns awekho ama-big performers. Uma ngimention Mamelodi Sundowns, mina I put this one bafethu, this one could easily be the best player in South Africa. Khuliso Mudau. Is ayibo. What a player. What a player bafethu. And into engichaza uma ngikhuluma ngeMamelodi Sundowns ngihlezi ngimenshina noma kuthiwa ngiphinda 1000 into yakhona, because of abanye abantu kumele sibancome. There's nothing wow about him ongazi ukuthi wow, but-ke what a superstar bafethu. It's just about his game, but ukuzokudlalela loya muntu loya bafethu. I mean, contribution yakhe. That is why if akafuna ukusayina i-deal neMamelodi Sundowns, because they haven't announced if i-deal yakhe izo-expire 2026, maningi ama-team angajabulela ukubreak i-bank for yena ukuthi amnike isalary enkulu bafethu. Akekho umuntu yabona ukuthi ushaya i-right back more than ne-South Africa unamanga, akekho for loya mjida loyo. hhayi akekho bafowethu. And then banama-player exciting abuya ku-injury, sobona ukuthi uThemba Zwane uzo-edani laphana kuma-Mamelodi Sundowns. At the same time banoNtsiki Ntshabeleng ukore igoli lakhe lokuqala, uRisinho ukore naye igoli lakhe lokuqala kuma-Mamelodi Sundowns. Nuno Santos, what a player, what a signing from Mamelodi Sundowns, what a signing, what a star. Yabona uma kuthiwa niyasayina bafethu niye Europe, ningavele nisayine nje nibheke ukuthi nisayina abantu abanjani. Nisayina abantu abanje, but into esiyibuza yona, not just me, because of awujajwa based on 2 games, 3 games, 4 games oyidlala, ujajwa based on isizini. So bona ukuthi isizini izomthatha imbekephi, nanokuthi by the time kuphela isizini yobe se-contribute kangakanani laphana kuma-Mamelodi Sundowns, because they really need him, they really need his contribution overall ukuthi abaphakele bafowethu ngamaphasi. But I think i-maturity yakhe umfana uma umbheka uNuno Santos, i-maturity yakhe kule next level. But I think it's not about just immaturity kuphela. I think development is very important. I-grassroots bafowethu kuyabonakala ukuthi umjida is just about playing football, that's it. Loko kunye uyi-star, ukuba yi-star, but-ke umaster like izinto ezi-different, good pass off the ball, comfortable on the ball, une-skill, une-flair. Ngambona first game yakhe ashayana ne-step over. I mean unayo leyo flair leyo engakwazi uku-excite ama-fans. Goalkeeper, they need u-goalkeeper. Ngizoyiphinda lento le njengayizolo bafethu, badinga u-goalkeeper ozokhompyutha no-Ronwen Williams, ozomnika i-tough time ngempela because of abo-Riyad, I mean o-number 1 kuma-Mamelodi Sundowns. OFebruary angiba-blame, angibagxeki ukuthi kumele ngabe bayahamba kuma-Mamelodi Sundowns. They have to do what they have to do bafethu. If it means hlala ebhentshini unyaka wonke, hlala ebhentshini unyaka wonke bafethu, as long une-good big contracts. Isikhathi sabo-goalkeeper possibly maybe sizofika. But what we can like, what I can vouch for, or ngincoma uMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi ayibalaxazi nje abadlali bayo. I mean u-Onyango unangakhi laphana, uZwane unangakhi, even though udila ngama-injury, but they are able to ukuthi bambekezelele overall. So yeah, what a team in terms of i-loyalty, abavele bakulahle. Ngeke ngikhulume ngenye i-team bafowethu, uma ngizokhuluma ngabantu bazongilahla, ama-legend wakhona isikhathi esiningi ayasho ukuthi ayathenjiswa ama-legend, but bagcine bangabenzelanga lutho. But Mamelodi Sundowns inayo element of i-loyalty to ama-players wabo. Alende forever promising ukuthi uzoya-Europe, but next but what a player. But one of the biggest performers for Mamelodi Sundowns uTeboho Mokoena. Cela ukuyibamba la bafowethu ze-Mamelodi Sundowns okwamanje. Ngizobuya. Danko bafowethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, is making sure ukuthi le page lifika ku-15,000 subscribers.